What is joint tenancy with rights of survivorship? Joint tenancy with rights of survivorship, also known as JTWROS, is a legal arrangement that governs the ownership of property, typically real estate or other financial assets that are held by two or more individuals. It's a common way for people to co-own a property, often used by married couples, family members, or even business partners. The key feature of JTWROS is the right of survivorship, which means that when one of the co-owners passes away, their share of the property automatically transfers to the surviving owner or owners without the need for probate or even a will. Here are the main characteristics of joint tenancy with rights of survivorship. First, equal ownership. All co-owners have an equal ownership interest in the property. This means that if there are two owners, each owns 50% of the property. If there are three owners, each one owns 1/3, and then so on from there. Second, right of survivorship. This is the defining feature of JTWROS. When one co-owner dies, their share immediately passes to the surviving owner or owners. This transfer happens outside of the deceased co-owner's will and bypasses the probate process. The property does not become part of the deceased owner's estate. Third, no ownership shares. Unlike other forms of joint ownership like tenancy in common, where each owner can have different ownership percentages, JTWROS owners don't have distinct shares of the property. Instead, they collectively own the whole property. Fourth, unilateral changes. Any co-owner can sell, mortgage, or transfer their ownership interest without the consent of the other co-owners. However, doing so might convert the ownership type to tenancy in common for the new owners, which would then eliminate the right of survivorship. Fifth, equal control. Co-owners have equal control and decision-making power over the property. This means that major decisions, like selling the property, usually require unanimous agreement. It's important to note that while JTWROS simplifies the transfer of ownership upon the death of one of the owners, it might not be suitable for all situations. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only, and we here advise you to consult with an estate planning attorney and a financial professional to determine if this is the right option for your specific circumstances. Additionally, laws and regulations related to property ownership can vary by jurisdiction, so it's crucial to understand the implications in your specific situation. Now you know, and we'll see you on the next video.